Today I'm going to share one topic which really helps to change your life, which is goal determination. So what is goal determination? One thing which is come is focus in your one thing. What is one thing? Suppose you want to become something, so you have to do work hard. Suppose you will want to become doctor, so you have to do work hard. What is your one thing? Your dream is your one thing. So what will you do right now? First of all, you will have to complete your graduation. After that, you decide what will you do for your dream. And second is domino effect. You see the domino box, when you push the small domino box, the other domino box which is big, they automatically be fall down. It's also like that, when you push your small goal, your other goals which is large, they automatically be fall down. It's mean when you complete your small goal, your big goal automatically be completed. And third thing is, what is productivity? Productivity is not about being work hard, keeping busy, burning priorities, planning and protecting your time. The productivity is that valuable things which can change your life. That's called productivity. And second is, what is work hard? Suppose one person continuously do hard work, but he does not know in which work he busy right now. It's depend on his future. If he busy in good work, so it is good for his future. But if he busy in bad work, so it's also bad for his future. So I want to say that first of all peoples and students must know in which work they busy right now. It's depend on their future. And third is, I see in my class there are so many students who say I want to do this, but I don't know how can I do this, because I don't have time, and I don't know how can I protect my time. So I tell you how can you protect your time. There is one of the most easy way to protect your time, which is time blocking. So what is time blocking? Make a specific time to do something. Suppose you decide you will study for 2 hours, so someone can't disturb you when you don't want. You make a shield hang out you, and suppose you study as well. After some minutes, so your any friend, your any relative made call to you. If you attend their calls, so they clearly show your goal is not clear. You are not honest about your goal. You are not do hard work for your goal. And I see when the students going to study, their parents say to them, can you go to shop, can you go to market and buy something for me. So I'll tell you how can you do this. Suppose you will study at 1 a.m. and now it is 1 a.m. and now it is 1 p.m. sorry. Now it is 1 p.m. and you will study at 1 p.m. and now it is 12:30 p.m. So you have 30 minutes. So you can say to your parents, 1 p.m. I will go to study. So if you have any work, so you can tell me right now. I will do it. And fifth thing is, productive actions transform lives. What does it mean? I tell you, when one person continuously study in one topic, so they will definitely know something in which topic which other persons don't know. Suppose you continuously study science, you definitely will know something in science which other persons don't know. And sixth thing is, all extraordinary successful people live in a productive day, and all people who are not success in their life, they live in a typical day. So how can we live in a productive day? I tell you how can you do this. When you wake up in morning, spend your 10 minutes in planning in which topic what will you do in your today's day. How can you spend your whole day? So this is one of the most easy way to live in a productive day. Thank you.